Okay, so today I'm going to give you a quick look using Moodstruck Addiction palette number 1. As you all know, it's my favourite and it is well used. Okay, so I have no eyeshadow on. I do have some mascara on because I didn't want to look ill while I was out and about. So I'm going to start with Elated all over my eyelid to bring down any redness or veins that might be showing through. Doesn't have to be Elated, but I would recommend using a colour very similar to that if you're not going to use this palette. Okay, all the way up to the brow bone. Okay, now I'm going to use my favourite brush, which is the right around for you, liner shader brush. So next I'm going to use Sincere. Now with this palette you can use it wet or dry, and by that I mean you can wet the brush and it applies a thicker, more shimmery layer in the glitters, definitely. Okay, I'm not going to do that today because I'm just showing you a quick and easy look for everyday wear. And at the end I will show you a bit more contouring in the crease to make it go to a bit more of a night look. Okay, so I'm going to do Sincere all over up to the crease line. So that's from the bottom all the way across up to the crease line on both eyes. Okay, from there I'm going to use just a little bit of chipper, same brush. This really is my favourite tool to use. Okay, into the crease line, really work it in, and it will stay a bit longer. Now you can see that's already brought a little bit of definition, but not over the top. And do the same on the other eye. Into the crease line, really work it in. Now we do have a crease brush which I will use when I'm showing you the day to night look. Okay, so it's not over the top. Right, from there, just going to wipe the brush off a bit. I'm going to dip into Swanky. Now this is a shimmery brown, which I'm going to put not quite into the corner, but from about 3/4 of the way right over to where we've put that brown. And again, so that's not right the way in, but from about here right the way across into where we've done the chipper. Okay, from there, and you could leave it as this if you wanted just slightly nudie look, or you can then go back in with your brassy and just liven it up a little bit. So I would put that right into the corner and drag it across a little bit to meet your brassy, to meet your Swanky. So again, this one's brassy, into the corner and across to meet your Swanky. Just kind of lifts your eye up a little bit. Alright, from there I'm now going to do eyebrows. So we use the other end of the brush, which is the liner side, into, in my case, chipper. Obviously if you're darker complexion you could move along to Forthright or even Zealous. Okay, so from here I'm going to just even out my eyebrows. Now we want to do this in one swoop, so from the edge through to your arch, from the edge through to your arch. Then you're giving it one continuous look, then you can fill it in. Again, just dipping back into chipper and down. Now we do have an eyebrow pencil as well, if pencils are more your thing. Okay, so as you can see I do have a little bit of eyeliner on from when I was out earlier. It is actually from this palette and it was Forthright, so I'm going to mix a little bit of Forthright and Zealous together just so you can see how easy it is to do liner. I do sometimes just leave it just with the eyeshadow as a liner. If I'm going out I'll probably do a bit of pencil and apply the powder on top to really set it and keep it in place. Now again, you can use this on your upper lid as an eyeliner. So if you're in work and you're going out and you just need to liven things up a bit, you could just have this palette and brush with you. You can fancy up your eyebrows a bit. Now, if you're going to go for a slightly heavier, smokier look, I'm going to use the crease brush for this. Again, I will start with the chipper and then really work it in to the crease, and you can work it up a bit as well. So it just brings it a little bit more. The more adventurous you are, the darker you can go, so I'm going to try a little bit of Zealous and just bring it further up and just blend it out. So not massively dark. Some people are not comfortable with an overly smoky eye, but you can see there's one eye with the crease done, there's one eye with just basic done. I hope this helps you in your makeup endeavours. Thank you for watching.